Here's a video on how to get into service mode on an AEG Lavalogic 1600 washing machine. Nothing currently in the drum. Let's have a close look at the panel. As you can see, some lines have disappeared. So that's the normal mode for going into all of the program options. If you've got a problem with a error code and you need to change it, service mode is the place to go to fix it. I'll show you how to do it. Now, a couple of seconds, 2 fingers here, comes up with a test pattern. Service mode. Notice you're on page 2 of 5. There are 5 different pages of tests, and we can flick through a few. Drain kicks off the drain. As you see, there's nothing in the drum, but if there was, this is where it would get removed. And it's triggering the water flow and heating circuit. The last error code is CD on this one, which is the previous one I had. I got rid of error code CA using this trick technique. Main wash, page 3. Softener is being squirted through. Pre-wash detergent. Main wash detergent, stain remover, drum rotation with some water present, no idea what that one does. And 2 options associated with spin, possibly have to be used after drain. Oops. Drain. Take the water out. Pause it here. Drain sound has changed, so we're completed. So let's have a look at the first page, which is the LCD test. Turn again, and you're on the one which one may want, alarm code clear. And that's how you get it to get back to normal. Off. You're back in the programs. Hope that was helpful. Bye bye.